Dear students, I'm going to explain number of solutions 3. The previous was uploaded number of solutions 1 and 2, limits tricks up to 6 are uploaded. Now you can see here the number of roots of the equation. Definitely in any entrance exam, minimum one question should be there related to this IDJ exam. Now this one can I make it my convenient? I can do this. This one I can do that. Transferring this side one side, transferring that side I can write sine 3x minus sine x minus 2 sine 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Just I transfer the terms at side. Now this is sine c minus sine d. Apply sine c minus sine d. We get 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2x c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2 minus 2 sine 2x. This plus 3. This our convenient, we can do this at this way. I can write sine square x plus cos square x plus I can write cos square 2x plus sine square 2x. So this is 1 plus 1, remaining 1 I can consider like this. Now the important point to rearrange the terms. If we rearrange the terms here, this I can write, the rearrange the terms. This one I can write, you can see here cos square 2x cos plus 2 cos 2x sin x plus sin square x I can write sin, this is one term, plus I can write this one 1 is 1, I can do 1 minus 2 sin 2x plus sin square 2x plus cos square x equal to 0. That way I can rearrange the terms. Now you can observe the logic I have written like this. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square cos 2x plus sin x whole square. Same with this also. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So you will get 1 minus sin 2x whole square plus cos square x equal to 0. But the important point here, this is positive, positive, positive. 3, sum of 3 positive terms equal to 0. That means each term should be equal to 0. But here, since all terms don't vanish simultaneously, that is important. Since all terms don't vanish simultaneously, all terms don't vanish simultaneously, Since all terms don't vanish simultaneously, there is no root only here. All terms don't vanish simultaneously, there is no root. Since there is no root, that implies number of roots equal to 0. Number of roots equal to 0. Number of roots will be equal to 0. See, in this problem they are asking total number of solutions of step of sin x plus cos x equal to 0 for all x belongs to 0, 2 pi. Now you can see here, from this I can write this equation. I can write step of sin x equal to minus cos x. So definitely minus cos x should be an integer, right? Here definitely, because to find the solutions here, minus cos x is an integer, correct? Minus cos x should be step of sin x to minus cos x, output is an integer. Minus cos x is an integer, right? Definitely I can write here minus cos x is an integer. That means cos x is an integer. That means real solutions exist when minus cos x is an integer, right? Real solutions exist when minus cos x is an integer, so cos x is an integer. But the given x belongs to 0, 2 pi. So what are the possible values of x I can consider? 0, I can consider pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. At these values, cos is, you get integer values, right? This is pi by 2. I have written pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. These values, 2 pi. Plus close interval 0, 2 pi. Now you can check at these values are possible, cos x should be an integer. Now you can check, suppose x equal to the first one, think x equal to 0 or 2 pi. If you take x equal to 0 or 2 pi, in this case, what is LHS value? You can check that. What is LHS value? Sin 0, it comes 0 only. So what about RHS in this case? So RHS you will get minus cos 0. you will get minus 1. Both are not equal, right? So no solution here. In this case, no solution. No solution. You think another one. Second case. Suppose if we take x is equal to pi. X is equal to pi. If we take x is equal to pi, what about LHS? Sin 180, LHS will be 0, right? Sin 180 is 0. RHS. Sin cos 180 minus 1, it will be 1. Again, both are not equal. Again, in this case also they can write no solution, right? No solution, right? Third one. I can take other possible values. Pi also we verify. Suppose if we take this one remaining values, I can check it pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. Suppose x equal to pi by 2. If we take x equal to pi by 2, sin pi by 2, 1. LHS will be 1, right? What about RHS? That will be 0, right? Again, no solution. So, no solution. The remaining one, observe here. Here also no solution, right? Just I have written about no solution. Right? So there is no solution in 3 cases. So we have one more value. I am going to verify one more value. You see that value, what about that value? X equal to 3 pi by 2. The fourth one. If x equal to 3 pi by 2, what is LHS now? You take LHS, you take 3 pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 2, stuff of minus 1. It comes minus 1. RHS will become 0, right? Then again no solution. So in this case also no solution, right? We won't get solution here, also no solution. Finally, in all the cases no solution. So that means here number of solutions is equal to 0. Final answer I can write number of solutions equal to 0. Number of solutions equal to 0. That is your answer, right? Number of solutions equal to 0. Right? That will be the final answer. Number of solutions equal to 0. So they are asking frequently this type of problems in JEE. Thank you. See you in the next video.